Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to stop message requests on Instagram. Let's get started. Firstly, open your Instagram app on your device and go to your profile by clicking at your profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then click the three horizontal lines to the top right corner and select Settings and Privacy. Scroll down until you reach Messages and Story Replies and tap on that. Then select Message Controls. And here you'll see an option, Your Followers on Instagram. Click on it. And if you want to stop receiving message requests from your followers, just select Don't Receive Requests and select Update Settings. And if you want to turn off requests from other people on Instagram, just do the same. Click on it and select Don't Receive Requests. Once you've updated this setting, you won't receive any message requests from your followers on Instagram or from other people on Instagram. And that's it. That is how you stop receiving message requests on Instagram. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!